Hi all, how are you? Hope everyone is doing perfectly well. It's me SOUMI and welcome to my channel. Today I am going to try a easy to use facial kit for a quick facial at home. It will be kind of a very basic facial like cleanse, scrub, massage and pack, and only in 45 minutes. Today I have Nature's Essence facial range. There are whitening pearl facial, flawless papaya facial, brightening diamond facial, glowing gold facial and gentle fruit facial. And today I am going to try out this flawless papaya facial kit, and it's suitable for all skin types. Now Nature's Essence is a well-known brand for their facial kits at affordable price. I hope most of you are already aware of them. These kits are 3-use pack and price is rupees 260, so it's coming around rupees 80 per facial, so I think it's great. And moreover, you can look for offers and get discounts on leading sites, and these kits are very easily available anywhere. It will be a genuine live review. I am going to try them out before you and keep on sharing my experience. This is my skin before facial. Please have a good look at it and let's see if I can get a healthier, softer and brighter skin from it or not. So let's get started. Let me tear the seal. Each individual pack was wrapped in thin plastic and each tube was foil sealed. These are small cute tubes. I love the packaging. They are hygienic, travel friendly and easy to use. It's supposed to clear all kinds of tan from skin, and it's the perfect pre-facial prep to get best results from any facial. I think you can relate. Whenever we go to salon for any facial, they ask to add additional detan pack before facial, and that too without additional cost of rupees 200 to 500 bucks. So it's very good that they have added this thing with all their facial kits, and I don't need to look for any additional product. Now let me apply this detan mask first. Smell is quite something like general typical cream. It's pleasant. I am applying a thick layer all over my face and neck. This pearly white cream is quite thick. Now I will leave it for 15 minutes. Do the facial once in every 2 weeks for best results. This is how it looks after 15 minutes. Now I will massage with wet fingers for 2 minutes before wiping it off. Massage helps to get the best result, and it will be easy to wipe it off also. Yeah, an instant tan removal I can notice. So next go for the next step. Step 1 is cleansing with flawless papaya cleanser. This is a cream cleanser. Consistency is really thick. You can see it's not dripping down. Cleanser has a nice fruity smell. I'm massaging on wet face. I'll massage for 5 minutes for cleansing with circular and upward strokes. You'll feel like cleansing with some cleansing milk. Rather, it's thicker than any cleansing milk. Along with papaya extract, it has almond oil and olive oil. This cleanser has been absorbed into skin like cream. Now I will wipe it off with damp tissue. Now my skin is properly clean. It's really fresh and I cannot feel any dryness. Most probably that's because of the cleanser was creamy cleanser, and trust me, I can see a visible change in brightness. Now it's time to exfoliate with Flawless Papaya Scrub. It has gel-like texture and the color is giving me the feel of papaya. It has very thin rice powder in it, so hoping for a gentle exfoliator. Fragrance is similar to the cleanser. Scrub is really very gentle, but still it's better do not rub too much. Massage in light hands for 5 minutes. Now I am going to wipe it with damp tissue, but here also please do not press too much while you remove the scrub. Now after scrubbing, my skin is properly clean. It's totally clean now. No oiliness, but it's not drying, it's moisturized. One thing I want to mention that I can still feel the small particles of the scrub. We need to clean it properly, otherwise if we leave this small particles like this with cream, again you will scrub your skin. That may micro tear your skin. When our skin is totally dry, you can just dust it off those small particles in this way. Yes, there I cannot feel any more particles. So hope you are enjoying the video. Please keep on watching till the end, because throughout the video I will be sharing some pro tips how you can get the best from a facial. And subscribe my channel if you have not done it yet, and please remember to click on the bell icon to get all notifications for upcoming videos. And after watching, if you like the video, please give me a thumbs up and leave a comment for me. And if you are on Instagram, please don't forget to follow me on Instagram. My IG handle is SOUMI.official. Please catch me there. I am active and update regularly. Rub your hands together before you massage your face. Warmth helps the cream penetrate your skin more effectively. It's time to nourish our skin with Flawless Papaya Massage Cream. This white cream is very thick, just like any good massage cream should be. Smell is mild, pleasant, not so strong. Massage for 15 minutes in upward and outward strokes. Do not add any water. You can see full ingredients listed at the back of the pack for each product. Cream has been absorbed completely, no need to wipe as such because I am not feeling any oiliness, just feeling I have applied some moisturizer. My skin is very soft now, it's nourished and a healthy glow I can see. Last step is Flawless Papaya Pack. Pack leaves our skin firm and smooth. This pack has lactic acid in it, which clears and smoothens your skin tone. For an enhanced glow, massage the face pack into your skin instead of just applying it. Now I leave it for 5 minutes. We have to wash this pack before it will dry completely. Massage gently with little water and wipe it off. Close the pack for future use.
So this is the final outcome. My skin is now perfectly clear with the power of papaya. And I like the facial. It's very quick, only few steps. You can do it at your home within only 45 minutes and result is clearly visible. Hope this video was helpful. See you in my next video. Take care.